Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we will unbox the Blitzwolf BW VP11 projector, and I'll show you something interesting I found in the video later, so stay tuned. So here we have the projector, and let's see what comes in the box. So here we have the AV cable, audio video cable, and we also have the remote. It's a standard one, same as the VP8s, and some cleaning cloth. And I believe this is the HDMI cable here. Yep. And here we have the cord for the power, and this little piece of paper that comes with every Blitzwolf package. And they provided a quick start guide here for those of you who don't want to read the whole manual. And here's the full manual. Yep. So at the time of this video, this unit is selling at around $100 online. So let's see if it's worth the price. So here's the projector. On this side we have the power port, and at the back we have the inputs: VGA, HDMI, audio, AV, and 2 USB ports. On top we have the controls, and here we have the manual focus and the manual keystone adjustments. Branding here, nothing on this side, vents. At the bottom we have the mounting and adjustment holes, and that's pretty much it. Comes with this cover for the lens, and yep, the build quality is quite decent, and yeah, it's all plastic. And just to let you guys know, I am by no means an expert on projectors, but I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on this from a regular consumer's perspective. So here we can adjust the focus manually, as well as the keystone. It's a 15-degree adjustment as per the specifications you can find in the description below. I bought this for a home cinema setup here, so I am projecting this on my bedroom wall. So those are not dead spots, but just dirt and holes on the wall. So far it looks nice and crisp. Yep. I'm planning to buy a projector screen soon, so if you have any recommendations, please let me know or leave a link in the comments down below. I appreciate it. So here are the settings we have available for the picture. We have the picture mode, color temperature, noise reduction, and projection settings. However, there is no image resize here. And here are the settings for the sound. We only got sound mode to adjust the bass and treble, and the balance for the left and right channels. Here we got the timer settings, sleep, auto sleep, and on-screen display. And here are the available options. We have language settings. Aspect ratio available are 4:3, 16:9, full, zoom 1 and 2, panorama, and just scan. Other options include restore, software update by USB, and software version is S5_V1. So this projector is capable of screen mirroring. However, it doesn't have Bluetooth audio, so you can't go full wireless in this. Let's try to connect it. Mirror share. And just so you know, sometimes I have difficulty connecting the device, and it also disconnects when I enter the settings while I'm sharing my screen. So just be aware about that. Hopefully they release a software update to fix it. And let's try to mount it here so the microphone can pick it up. Alright, I think we're good to go. Here are some game samples. So at this point I noticed the difference between the picture quality with my VP8 here. So I had to check, since they are both 720p's. I had to go back to the specifications on the website, and indeed it's 720p here. But I noticed in this screen, when I was reviewing the video, it's saying it's displaying at 1080p 60 Hz. So the plan for the next video will be to compare this with the VP8 and see if there is indeed a difference in the picture quality. So please consider subscribing to get notified on that video. Until then, thank you for watching. Stay safe, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.